Commercial customers represent a material growth opportunity for your bank. In an increasingly competitive marketplace, how do you offer these high-value customers the advanced cash management features they demand, such as reporting, recurring ACH and wire payments, and future-dated wires? You can with the innovative JHA Commercial Cash Management Solution. Now you can replace laborious and error-prone cash management manual processes with a solution that enables your commercial customers to manage their day-to-day cash position and their long-term financial position easily and accurately. Commercial customers expect robust, flexible, and scalable cash management solutions delivered with the convenience and accessibility of 24/7, 365 online services. Now you can meet those expectations with a solution that offers recurring and future-dated wire transfers, ACH originations and file uploads, recurring ACH payments, enhanced customer alerts, activity and balance reporting with the ability to save reports, a positive pay module, and more, all while leveraging the industry's highest security standard. Implementing JHA Commercial Cash Management enables you to aggressively and successfully compete for new commercial business, as well as provide new, high-demand functionality to your existing commercial customers. Take your commercial customer service to the next level with advanced commercial cash management from Jack Henry & Associates.